And we continue our series on the Macksville Show, or Nambucca River District Agricultural Association. The showground's been established since 1907, and probably a real feature here is this lovely single horse buggy and the mural that goes behind it, donated by two local residents, Brian and Rachel Brown from the Umbrella Woman, and that local things here was restored to its pristine condition by the men's shed here, and the funding for it came from the current president and his wife. We certainly thank them for the money they put in, and featured around it is some of these giant pumpkins that have been grown, and they represent different areas from around the Nambucca Valley. We'll just make sure we don't fall over things here while we do them, and we'll go across to the champion one here, which is the heaviest pumpkin, and you can't see a weight on it, but that comes from Noel Welsh, a well-known family here, and it's a bit of a ongoing competition to grow these very large pumpkins, and this year it's been very successful. But that's a great backdrop there for that wonderful piece of history that's been preserved here. Hit the subscribe button and tell us what's special about your local country show.